Welcome Loyalty Squad, this is the Velvet Locks with another T-Tox video for you today. Now this video, I'm going to show you a wonderful 72-hour liver cleanse drink that you can drink to clean out your liver, get rid of that extra weight in your body. Nothing heavy, alright? Nothing heavy. So let's get with some of these ingredients that you're going to need for this wonderful cleanse. Now in this you're going to need a cup of parsley. Okay, we have that already pre-measured. You're going to need 3 lemons or limes. So I'm going to start using my limes. So I got 3 of them today. You're also going to need at least 5 pieces of your celery. All right, freshly washed celery. And you're going to need 6 cups of water. Not to mention a full-size blender. We're not going to be using our NutriBullet today because it's not going to work with that. So we're going to get our full-size blender ready for our concoction. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to pop our parsley into our blender. We're also going to squeeze our lime juice. So if you got lemons or limes, you're going to squeeze the juice directly into your blender. One thing I like using with my lemons more than the limes is that you get more juice extracts. Okay, you get more juice in your lemons than you do with your limes. That's why I usually like to use my lemons more. And don't throw away your limes or your lemon skins, you guys. You can use that as facial scrubs. So you could throw those in the refrigerator and save them for the morning time when it's time for you to wash your face. You can use this to actually exfoliate your skin. So our lime juice and our parsley is already in our blender. Now we're going to chop our parsleys and get that ready as well. So you're going to cut your parsley into small pieces just so that it can get through the blades of your blender. Alright, so our celery is chunked up now. Throw that in there. And lastly, we're going to throw in our water. Alright, we're going to put in 2 cups for now, and this just to get this thing started. Now I'm going to add the rest of my water in there and continue blending. Wow, that's a lot. So let me get my glass and try this concoction right now. Very clean, fresh. You taste the parsley, the lime, and it's really good. This is good for 3 days, 72 hours. You drink this for 3 days, 2 cups 3 times a day before each meal. And then you take a 7 to 10 day break. Right? So that means you stop drinking this for 7 to 10 days. Then you repeat again after the 10 or 7 days. You do it again for 3 more days, okay? So this is more of a cleanse, a flush. It's gonna get rid of the stuff in your stomach. It's gonna detox your body. You're gonna be going. Right? So this is a flush, this is a cleanse, this is for weight loss. It's to flatten that stomach. Each day you're gonna make a batch because the portion amount that you're making per day is exactly 6 cups of this liquid. Starting off in the morning on an empty stomach. Also, when you're consuming this drink, you're also going to be eating light meals. You're not going to eat any heavy type of meals because, like I said, this is a cleanse, a detoxing drink. So you don't want to weigh yourself down with any type of heavy meals. You want your light meals. You okay? Your salads, your vegetables, your fruits, whatever it is that you choose to eat, but make sure it's a well-balanced light meal. All right? And you're going to see some serious benefits. So this is the season, y'all. Summer is coming. Start getting your T-Toxes in order. Start drinking your T-Toxes so you can start slimming down and losing that weight just in time for the summer. Now this is a wonderful, powerful 72-hour liver cleanse. Gonna detox your body, regulate your liver, and you're going to start to see some weight loss because your liver is clean. So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful T-Tox video. And if you like these videos, thumbs it up. Go down to the bottom and hit that like button. Alright? That's showing that you enjoy these videos and you want to see more of them. So don't forget, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, as well as hit that bell on your notification, so this way you will know when I'm always uploading another one of these serious weight loss T-Toxes. Alright? And you can make this right in your kitchen instead of going out there buying all that extra. So until the next wonderful T-Tox video, you guys, I will see you then.
Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.